How to make horizontal video vertical in CapCut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to reformat your video, including what happens to the framing once you do. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. From there, import your horizontal video to start a new project. After that, tap on the video clip in your timeline to select it. At this point, look for the ratio option in the toolbar above the timeline. Following this, tap on it to see the available aspect ratio options. From here, select 9:16 to switch it to a vertical format. Once selected, you'll notice black bars appear above and below the video, since the original footage was filmed horizontally and doesn't naturally fill a vertical frame. At this stage, if you want to reduce how noticeable those black areas are, tap and drag the video within the frame to reposition or zoom in slightly, focusing on the most important part of the shot. Following this, once you're happy with the framing, tap the check mark to confirm the ratio change. From here, tap Export at the top right when you're ready to save the final video. Keep in mind, those black bars will still show up in the exported video, unless you crop in tighter or add a background fill behind the footage instead of leaving it black. That's how you make a horizontal video vertical in CapCut on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.